Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. I don't think there's any place I'd rather be than wrapped up in a quilt in bed on a cool day, and this quilt set is exactly the vibe I was looking for. Not only is this patchwork quilt set beautiful to look at, but it's also well made and lightweight. I've had this quilt set on my bed through some hot summer nights, and I love that it brings the comfort that we're looking for without making us too hot. And on the cooler nights, it's very simple to just throw another blanket on top. This set comes in 3 pieces, 2 shams and the quilt, and all of them have strong, durable stitching that has withstood the abuse of my pets and my children crawling into bed with us. The company has lots of different styles to choose from, and all of them look absolutely beautiful, with lots of different vibrant color tones that would be easy to match with different decors. I got my set in blue, and I love to match this quilt with different shades of brown, creams, white, and dark blue. Because of our busy life with kids and pets, I was also very glad to know that this was washable. It's very simple to throw into the washing machine and dryer, and it comes out just as soft and beautiful as when it went in. So if you're in the market for a quilt set that's beautiful, versatile, and will last you for years, then I think you're going to love this quilt set as much as I do. And that's my point of view.